Warm greetings from Saintgits College of Engineering. Robotics and automation mainly deal with designing machines to perform repetitive, dull, or dangerous tasks that are performed by human beings. Robotics involves designing systems that mimic various aspects of natural life, perform tasks that are beyond the limitations of humans. Based on type of activity or nature of action, there are several types of robots. You may be familiar with several of these, but the most popular type of robot that we all know is a drone, a flying robot. You may also have heard about humanoid robots that look like humans and try to emulate one or more human characteristics. These are some other types of robots. Robots that mimic animals or insects, underwater robots, soft robots, rovers, and robotic arm. Although drones may be the most popular type of robots, robotic arm, the pick-and-place robot was one of the very first kind of robots ever designed. Pick-and-place robots used to pick up an object and place it in a desired location are inevitable part of the industries since the earlier days of industrial automation. Also, these are the most commonly used practical application. Now, let's prototype a pick-and-place robot and test your engineering skills. Good luck.